In India, 1 in every 5 young girls apparently drops out of school because she doesn't have access to proper products to manage her periods. In some cases, she doesn't have access to the information that is needed to adequately and healthily manage her periods. Every so often, my team and I come across a campaign that we feel really strongly about, and we decided to partner up. Today, we're partnering with Whisper India in its campaign to keep girls in school. It's a campaign that I believe is really needed in India right now, because I also believe that educating Indian girls and feeding Indian girls adequately is actually our ticket out of most of the problems we face in our society. Now, the added benefit of being part of this partnership is that I get to speak with Sunidhi Chauhan, someone I've admired a great deal for a very long time, and she's joining me right now. Sunidhi, thank you so much for joining us. It's a
Thank
pleasure
you
to
for
chat to you.
same here.
So,
Thank you so much.
so you've actually done a song for this campaign, and it's a wonderful song. And I'm going to ask you to sing a little bit in a while, but I want to understand from you why this campaign means so much to you and why you've partnered with it. Why is it important in your mind to keep girls in school?
Isn't it important? I mean, we have
Yeah.
moved on. We have, progressed so much in many, departments, and this is such a basic thing that we need to do. And as soon as I saw the movie, the film that they have made, Whisper India, I was so moved by the film. It was beautifully shot. The actors, everything about the film was so moving, and I uh, immediately had to like say yes to this. In fact, I felt honored to be a part of it because an education like this is much needed, not only to the young girls but also boys and everybody, parents. I mean, they need to come out of this fear of, is it too early to tell them? Is it the right thing to do? And girls today are getting their periods at the age of 8, and it scares me. The fact that, if I talk about myself, I got them when I was 13, and uh,
Mm.
this is too early. And
I was
but
scary then as well, right? Even
it
at
was,
13,
yeah.
it's scary. Yeah.
Yeah, how it happened, I mean, everybody has their own story. But not everybody has such supportive or understanding parents. Luckily I had them, and uh, through this song I thought maybe I can be a smallest part to play that role, where people can relate to this song and also feel comfortable about it. Because if you I mean, you've heard the song, and I'm sure you've seen the video as well.
Uh-huh.
It's put, this serious thing has been put in a very light manner, and also we all have kept this very jovial and happy and easy for them to understand. And I think that's the best part about Periods Ka Matlab song. Yeah.
In fact, research shows us that girls are starting periods as early as 8, like you said. And the problem, obviously, is within our school system, even if there is a structure that explains periods, it happens only at the age of 12 and 13. So for an 8-year-old girl, it's terrifying, because actually in our families, even the older siblings and the parents tend to shield small children from periods. Nobody talks about it in front of them. So suddenly there's this big shock as to what has happened to me. Am I dying? Why am I bleeding?
And जब तक आप देखते नहीं, आपको पता नहीं पड़ता है. Through this film, I actually realized that this must be actually happening. When young girls get to know about this sudden change in them, how the other fellow, girls are take this as, and
Yeah.
how scary it could be for a child to. My God, it scared me. It moved me. I was really emotional when I watched the film, and that's when I also realized that ऐसा भी होता होगा. So, yeah, education, uh, I think it's needed at any stage. इसके लिए कोई age bar नहीं है. But for girls who experience this much earlier, I think they need to know. They need to be told much earlier. Yes.
Research tells us that still, even today across the country, there are many girls in school and college who do not have access to sanitary products at all. So they're using cloth, they're using other materials that can cause infections that can actually be life threatening. Um, For me, this has always driven me because I can't. I mean, if you're honest, if we go to the remotest parts of our country, वहां पे आपको cool drink और chips तो मिलेंगे. So I don't understand why we have not been able to give access to life-saving sanitary products in the same way.
And unfortunately, I mean, I've traveled so much in these remote places, by car, and we stop by, proper toilets ही नहीं होते हैं, that's to start with. तो ये चीजें ना होना तो it's very scary, क्योंकि सिर्फ यूज करना और फिर उनको आप कैसे डिस्पोज करें, उनको आप किस तरह से there are so many challenges that you come across. It's not just और अगर उनके पास उनकी access ही नहीं है, so that is really scary, I think. And I think Whisper India does that. They send it free
Yes.
products for them, and I think that is superb. That's what is needed, and that basic understanding, that love.
Yeah, and I think that is part of that, program that they have called Keep Girls in School. About 26 million girls are at the risk of dropping out of school in India, and that is really the campaign that we're all talking about.
Yes.
Personally, for me, this is something that I've done research about. About 50% of the women and young girls in India are anemic, which means उनके बॉडी में आयरन कंटेंट कम रहता है क्योंकि उनको ठीक से पोषण नहीं मिलती. They're not adequately, they're not given proper nutrition as children. That's also because in many Indian families, the food is saved for the boys and the girls eat later. And so they eat less. And they're anemic, and they're then married early. They then have children, and that makes them even more weak. They give birth to smaller babies or malnourished babies
Goes on
themselves.
and
And
on.
it creates a cycle, of passing on this weakness from generation to generation. And we can break that cycle by just adequately educating and feeding the girls of India. And I think that, what you've done with this song and with the campaign is such an important part of breaking that cycle, because it gives girls a sort of agency to say, hey, there's nothing wrong with me.
I mean, I think it's simple. If men cannot talk about it, at least the women who go through it, they should talk about it to their children. Unfortunately, अभी भी remote places में, गांव में, औरतें ही बहुत डरती हैं इस बारे में बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि उनको शर्म आती है. उनको लगता है कि शायद वो खुद ही इस चीज को इम्प्योर मानती है. बहुत सारी औरतें ऐसी हैं, क्योंकि उनको ऐसा सिखाया जाता है, उनको ऐसा बोला जाता है. कई लोगों को पीरियड्स होने की वजह से कई जगहों पर जाना अलाउड नहीं होता. There are so many factors. So if they at least have the courage to spread the knowledge, I think half the job will be done. And if you have campaigns like Whisper, what Whisper India is doing, you have all the support now. And now with this song, everybody is involved, not just women, but also men and boys and girls, everybody. And they are understanding this. So I think it's finally a good time to
Yeah,
move forward.
I saw your video that you put up on Instagram of this song, and you're singing it in the video, you're singing to a classroom of children, and it's not
Right.
just girls. There's also boys in that classroom, which is so important, because I remember when I was in school and when they were going to talk to you about this, they would actually take you aside. I mean, I went to an all-girls school, but they took aside the girls they felt had already got their period, and they shielded the ones who had not gotten their period from this information, which was ridiculous because they are the ones who
Yeah.
need that information.
Correct. Yeah, it's quite shocking. Yes, but I think things will change now.
Yeah.
And change for good. And I'm so happy that Whisper India is doing this fearlessly.
So I know there are a lot of people who meet you say, please can you sing 2 lines for us? But of this very powerful song, and I'm going to join the long line of people who ask you to sing. Can you sing 2 lines of this song for
Yes.
us?
Of course, it's a very small song, so I'll maybe sing the verse as well, if that's okay.
Please.
पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी है आप, पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी है आप, बॉडी में यूट्रस लाइनिंग बनाए, फिर हर महीने इसे हटाए, खून के रूप में ये बाहर आए, पर डरने की नहीं है कोई भी बात, पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी है आप, 8 की उम्र से आना नहीं बड़ी बात, पैड्स यूज करके अब सब कर सकते आप, ना ये कोई बीमारी ना ही कोई श्राप, इसका नहीं मतलब कि मर रहे हो आप, पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी है आप, पीरियड्स का मतलब हेल्दी है आप. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I wanted to also ask you, for our audience who's watching right now, how can each of us contribute to this, to this attempt to keep girls in school? And you're doing so much already, but if you're watching at home, what can each of us do?
Especially to all those women. I mean, I just said it before. You just need to be fearless about it. You don't need to be worried about being judgmental, or is it too early or late. Don't think too much. I think girls now, मुझे लगता है आजकल जो बच्चे पैदा ही हो रहे हैं वो 8 years old के IQ के साथ पैदा हो रहे हैं. Kids are really already very
Smart.
matured. They have a lot of, they're sensitive. They get things, which we think कि नहीं ये तो बच्चे हैं, इनको क्या मालूम है. और girls boys दोनों. I have a son, and I'm seeing him grow, and I see the changes. It's amazing, the growth when I see in him, but it's also scary because हम तो, I feel like I was a dumb child when I was his age. I mean, I could barely speak. मुझे मालूम था, मुझे सिर्फ मेरे पापा बोलते थे, जब बोलने के लिए कहते थे तो बोलते थे, गाने के लिए कहते थे तो गाते थे. अपनी कोई वॉइस ही नहीं थी. बट आज बहुत सारी चीजें बदल गई हैं. आज ही नहीं, काफी सालों से. तो आप बस बात कीजिए. जमाना बहुत आगे बढ़ गया. ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजों को जरा साइड में रख के आगे बढ़िए. और अगर हम इन बातों पर से यहाँ इस फाउंडेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर देंगे ना, इन बेसिक चीजों से ऊपर आ जाएंगे, तो वी कैन प्रोग्रेस फर्दर, into a better future, and talk about bigger things, more important things. These are basic body needs, and most natural and organic things that happen to our body. So it's not a myth, it's not a taboo, it's not a big deal at all. That's all we all should know. Like inherently वो आ जाना चाहिए अपने अंदर. और and I think then everything will just flow.
I'm so happy to have received this opportunity to speak with you and to also discuss this very important subject with you that you're working on so hard right now.
Fair. Likewise, honestly, I mean, I haven't got a chance to tell you this before, but I think I did message you. I love how you are and how you talk about things in a very clear manner, and without any baggage. And I love how you think about things, how you talk about them and how you feel about them. And I quite relate to you. And when you talk and you speak about something, I feel that, yeah, if I was in your place, I would have spoken like that, and made people understand things in a way that it should be. So I'm happier to talk to you about this campaign, which we both feel very close to. Yeah.
Absolutely. It's so important, and it's something that we can no longer push to the background, and we can no longer say, it doesn't bother me. I've looked after my family and it's fine. We have a responsibility towards all the little girls around us. And Suzy Chauhan Whisper doing this amazing work right now of keeping girls in school.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for speaking with me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Faye. Nice talking to you.